Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum called on the Mexican people to look ahead following the arrival of new members of the nation's Supreme Court of Justice. The head of state pointed out that the work of those who leave the country's top court should be reviewed, but that it should not be a matter of persecution. She highlighted the autonomy of the judiciary and that the new members must ensure true access to justice without conditions or persecution. The president also declared that as of September, the new members must ensure an environment of honesty, truthworthiness, and true access to justice.
No deben llegar a ser un asunto de persecución.
That shouldn't be an issue of persecution. However, they should focus on the access to justice, and if they find any problem, then they should file an administrative or even criminal complaint, if that would be the case. But I believe that we must look ahead, because the people of Mexico is expecting from this new judicial power is to have a completely different access to justice. So goes the saying, he who owes nothing fears nothing.
On the other hand, the Mexican president described the judicial elections as an unprecedented democratic exercise despite the intentions of some sectors to downplay the process.
Entonces, ¿cómo pueden decir que fue poca gente 13 millones? Es un ejercicio inédito.
How can they say that 13 million people were not enough? That was an unprecedented event. It's twice the number of people who voted for the ex-president's trial, which were only 6.6 million. Now, 13 million people is much better than 128 senators. There is no comparison.